Hey everyone, in this video I'll be doing my aftercare morning skincare routine after my DIY TCA cross and chemical peel using 50% solution, and this is how my skin look day 1 after my TCA treatment. Alright, so here I'll be using the Banish serum. This is a vitamin C and E. And by the way, just to share with everyone, it is not really advisable to apply vitamin C, whether it's serum, cream, gel, or whatever, for a week after TCA treatment because it is a antioxidant that may cause skin irritation. But honestly, if you won't have any skin irritation or bad reaction to it, you may continue using it. Like me, I have been using the Banish serum for a year now, even right after my TCA treatment and microneedling treatment. Because Banish serum is really made for acne scars treatment aftercare product. But to be sure, please do a patch test first before applying any vitamin C. Alright, so next I'll be using the Banish Fighter Gel. I am using this product mainly to calm my skin after my TCA treatment because it is really soothing on my skin, plus it will also help to lessen the inflammation and redness of my skin. Plus, it will also give a additional moisture on our skin that we really need after TCA treatment because it will make our skin dry. And then lastly, I will apply sunscreen. So I'm using the invisible sunscreen from Glam Beauty with SPF 60. Alright, so sunscreen is the most important skincare product that you need to apply after your TCA treatment to lessen the chance of developing hyperpigmentation and avoid direct sun exposure, and please keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!